Our new double personnel doors are built to the same specification as our double steel doors, but also have the unique feature of being universally handed. The active leaf is left-hinged, opening outward by default, but can be changed to the opposite orientation by simply turning the door leaves 180 degrees and fitting them on the opposite sides, and then switching the latch over in the sash lock. To change the orientation, first rotate and fit the door leaves. Then take out the sash lock by removing the 4 screws securing it in place. Next, slide it out and look for the latch release lever. Press the lever and the latch will pop out. Rotate it through 180 degrees and then press it back towards the sash lock until you hear a click back into place. To refit the sash lock, pop it back in the opening with the latch towards the top, being careful to ensure the 2 locking arms line up with the eyelets on the locking system rods within the door. You can then replace the 4 screws that hold the sash lock in place and you're finished. Finally, we would always recommend testing the locking system is working correctly by putting a cylinder in and rotating the cam to ensure all the locking points are functioning correctly. To find out more about our universally handed personnel doors, visit our website at www.lathamssteeldoors.co.uk.